ZRX, we start with 1 hour chart. If we refer to one analysis in my last video when the price was here, we mentioned we're looking for the down move. All right, that's mean we'll be looking for sell, and this is what we get. Okay, anyone is in the sell, I think right now they should start to manage because may this one turn to a reversal. Okay, that's why we need to see whether this is a reversal or correction for one more drop. By the way, in our analysis, we have been looking for the down move, and this is what we get because we put these two in relative to each other as a correction with the internal, and this is the first correction, and this is the last. Okay, now we want to see how we can look for the next trade. In this case, we move to daily chart. As you can see, based on daily chart, the way it's moving is really corrective. The only correct question is whether this one can retest this low or not, or this one can continue and break at least this top. That means we don't have much information. And if we move to forward chart, based on forward chart, what we can see here, the price almost drop and retest this low. Note this correction become really complex. All right. The only thing is how we can look at this correction because the way it's moving is really corrective. Now we want to see whether this one is in relative to this or not. Because internally, if we put all the pieces to each other, we end up with this too. By the way, we don't need to care about that. We want to see how we can look for trade because as we can see, the way it's dropping is very corrective and still we can expect the correction here for one more drop. But for long term, any reversal, we can, we will be more interested to look for. All right. And if we put this one relative to this, we want to see what we have. MACD doesn't show us anything, but here we see the divergence. By the way, we don't need to care about that. And if I move to 1 hour chart, okay, what we have based on 1 hour chart is still we can look for one more drop because since we have this sharp move, this one can turn to a correction for one more drop. But if we get one more drop, any reversal we can look for buy. We're looking for the reversal. Even here, if you get a reversal, we're looking for, but for buy. But what we have here, it doesn't give us any reversal unless the price give us one more drop, any sharp move with a flag, we look for buy. For long term, we're looking for buy, but we need to get the reversal. What we have here right now, still we can expect one more drop. How deep it can be, we are not sure. Can we look at this one as a channel? Yeah, that's why if we get any buy with the breakout of this top, we start to manage it. By the way, we don't have any trade setup. We're just looking at this. In this case, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.